Hello everyone, today I have 3 Christmas and winter DIYs for you. And this video is in collaboration with one of my special friends here on YouTube, Donna from Creative by Nature. I'm going to leave the link to her channel and the video for this collaboration in the description box for you to check out. So please do, once you're done with this video, go over to her channel and show her some love. So the first DIY that I'm going to show you all how to make is this adorable winter scene in a teacup. This is beautiful as a decor piece for your home, or it can make a nice handmade gift. So to begin, of course, you're going to need a teacup and saucer, and then all you're going to do is hot glue that. You can also reinforce it using some E6000, and then you need to spray paint your cup and saucer using some snow spray or just some regular white spray. Next we're going to create sort of like an artificial shelf. We're going to cut that out of cardboard so that we can display everything on the top of the cup. So draw alongside your cup so that you have the correct measurement, and then cut that out and stick it down with some hot glue inside your cup. Then you're going to take some salt, because this is going to act as our artificial snow, and pour that all over the cardboard to fill your cup. And now you're going to start arranging your scenery. I have this little miniature girl and she didn't stand up on her own, so I had to create some kind of structure just to reinforce it and let her stand up without falling. So to do that, I just used some cardboard and stuck her down using some hot glue, and then I put her inside a cup and I just covered her up with some snow so that you can't see the cardboard. Then I started decorating around the saucer. So to do that, I got some natural things like some moss, some cinnamon sticks, and I also made use of those potpourri packs that you can get, and I just stuck them all down with some hot glue. You don't need to spend much for this DIY at all. It will come out beautifully, I promise. You can use things from your garden or the park, anything that you can get for free, because all of the natural stuff really works for Christmas and winter anyway. So here you can see, for example, I'm just using some bark that I found in my garden. And to give it some more colour and make it look more Christmassy, I took some miniature baubles and I stuck them down using some hot glue. So the only thing that you really need to pay for in this DIY is probably the figurines that you use, because we already have salt, and I'm sure you all have a cup and saucer, and you probably have baubles at home, and all of the other aspects were just things that I had already, like I said, in the park or from the potpourri pack. Once you've stuck everything down, you can go ahead and snow spray it just to give it that Christmas winter touch. I also snow sprayed this little branch just to include in the scenery. And so here's the first DIY all done and completed. I hope that you love this. It's such a cute centerpiece for your home, and again, it makes such a nice handmade gift. I also love that this doesn't cost much to make, but looks expensive like the stuff that you find in the craft fairs or the boutiques. So this is DIY number 2. I really like this. I feel like it's elegant and classy, and it's really natural and unique. It didn't cost much at all to put together, and what I love is that you can display it in many different ways. And what's even better is that I've got everything from Poundland for this DIY, except the bark, of course, which was free from the park. So the first thing you're going to do is stuff your jar with an LED light and also this tree that also lights up. Once you've done that, you're going to hot glue the base of the tree and the neck of the mason jar onto your bark. And then you can hide your battery packs under the bark so it's not seen and it's all tidy. And now I'm just taking my reindeer and positioning it where I want, and I'm going to stick it down onto the bark with some hot glue. And then for the last thing, all you're going to do is take your snow spray, again this was from Poundland, and just cover the whole thing. And here's the second DIY all completed. I think it's beautiful, simple but elegant. And as I mentioned earlier, this has so many variations, so you can display it with the room light off so the LED lights stand out, or you can turn the room light on and have the LED lights on. Also, I have the LED light in the mason jar as well as the Christmas tree, so they both can go on and off as well. And now we're on to our third and final DIY. This one is super quick and easy, but it is just so adorable. You're going to begin by pouring in your salt into your container, and then take your tree and put that inside. Then you're going to take some twigs or sticks from your garden and group them together using some string, and then you're going to snow spray them. And then you're going to place your figurine inside. I always think that deers make the excellent finishing touch. Then you can play around with some fairy lights. You can place them inside, you can place them outside, or you can simply go without. And here's the final DIY. Make sure you let me know which one of these were your favorite in the comments below. And if you have enjoyed this tutorial, make sure you leave me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. And remember to check Donna's channel out. Thank you all so much for watching, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!